In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit audio in Canva, adjust volume, trim clip audio tracks. Whether you are polishing a voiceover, laying in background music, or tidying up a podcast clip, these simple tools will help your project sound clean and professional. Start by opening your design in Canva and head to the timeline at the bottom of your screen. You'll see your audio track there, or if you are working with a video clip that includes sound, you can edit that too. To adjust volume, click the audio track or the video clip in the timeline. At the top of the screen, select volume. You can drag the slider to raise or lower the level, or type an exact number if you need precise control. Make small adjustments, then press play to preview. If you are layering music under a voice, try pulling the music down so it sits comfortably beneath the narration. If you have several tracks playing at once and their levels feel uneven, choose Balance All. Canva will automatically even things out across your selected tracks, which is great for quickly normalizing clips recorded at different levels. Next, let's trim and cut. To trim the ends of a track, click it once, then drag the handles at the beginning or end to shorten or extend it. Watch the waveform as a visual guide so you don't clip off important words or beats. For precise edits within the track, position the timeline cursor exactly where you want the cut, right-click the audio, and choose Split Audio. This creates two separate pieces you can move independently or delete. If you need accuracy, zoom in on the timeline before you split so you can cut between syllables or on a beat. To reposition a segment, simply click and drag it along the timeline to change where it starts. This helps you sync music hits with transitions or align a voice clip with on-face screen actions. For finishing touches, add fades so your audio enters and exits smoothly. Select the track, click Audio Effects, then adjust the fade in and fade out sliders. A short fade at the beginning helps avoid a sudden pop of sound, and a fade at the end prevents abrupt cutoffs. Aim for a subtle fade for voice, and a slightly longer one for music. Adjusting to taste while you preview. That's it. Thanks for watching.